Alright, so starting out the day, I worked on double checking and moving some of these boxes, basically adjusting this whole room for changes on elevation. So those ones, all these ones, I didn't touch these ones. So I boxed this room, and I went over here and this was completely empty. I went ahead and got these 72 inches, 44 inches lasered, everything lasered. 21, 12, and 5 inches, 18, 18, another 72. So I got that all boxed out. I had to cut all these spreader bars because it was too long. I really like these spreader bars. I've never seen these before. So those are fantastic. And then right now I'm working on the other side in the electrical room, doing some piping. So these all have to turn, well, not all of these, but these will all go into different panels on the other side, but I'm taking the red ones, the criticals, and those have LBs, and I'm dropping those down into a panel on the back side right here. Someone is in there right now, not taking a break, but that's fine. So I got the first 3 dropped, you'll see that, and then I'm working on the last one, which has to go over like 3 inches and meet up, and then all 4 of those go into the panel right. That's literally the panel right there. So you'll see that here in a second. But that's what I've been working on today, working in a different building. This is phase 3. Everything is just studs right now, so nice change of pace. As compared to more of the finished work, this is more of just the roughing over here. The other place we were doing lights and stuff, more finish. And doing some piping, doing some boxing, so nice change of pace today. So day is just flying by. I only have like another hour to go, 3 o'clock. So that's where we're at right now. Let's try to get you a little video on the other side of the pipes coming down into the panel that I've been working on. So should be able to get this last pipe done before the end of the day, and then see where the rest of the day takes us. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be back here on Monday or not, or if I'm gonna be back on the other side doing more finish work. I'd never started the aux sensors, wiring, and power packs, so we'll see where I'm at on Monday. I have no idea, so it will be a nice surprise to figure that one out. So let's go get that panel video. Well, somehow I made 2 of these 90s and one of them is 2 inches short, so I have to remake a longer one, but got that pipe in, got that 90 sitting there, have to finalize it. Could have gone a little higher, but it is what it is. I'm gonna catch the 90 and go into one of these pipes with the LB, so that's for Monday.